Actually, hello guys. Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hi mga Cocoquera. So don't forget Valentine's Day is really close. So next week. So I remind you is a Valentine's Day. So the I video for short, so I will put in my long video lang. So it's make it real long. Charot. So happy Valentine's Day everyone. So this is the idea of the gift what you like to give to your partner or your girlfriend. But for me, for now, I don't need that one because I have a big gift that I get. Christmas gift and Valentine's Day gift. So it's for whole life gifts. So no need. Thank you. Hello, good morning mga kahokokera. So this time pala nag-grocery kami. I don't thought that we going to grocery that time. So I'm not ready. Only I'm just what you call that. I'm done paying bills, everything. Then come home, we make lunch. Then suddenly he said, "You go shopping food, grocery." I said, "What?" And I'm so tired. That's why we just dropped by in coffee shop. So that coffee shop is inside in this store. So yeah, it's really convenient. So I'm just walking around there like I don't know what I'm getting, but it's my partner's idea to go shopping like that for the food. So we have a food, even we have a food, she want one food. So it's much better to buy a food rather than always beer. But you know what, my partner is really taking care of us, so I don't have what problem with food in the house. So I'm just lucky about that, not like before that, you know, my life with my ex before is not really easy, guys, because we're living in the mountain and it's really hard to get a work there. If you have a work, you need to be what you call that in the farm. You clean the farm, so you have a money every week. So now it's much better. So I'm not really hokokera, guys, because I'm the one get the money and he's the one budgeting of us. If what we need, we ask him, he gave to me. So only my problem is what you call that housework, sleep like that, charot. So I'm so thankful about him, about what he did to us. So he never forgot to go shopping first before anything else. So yeah, you know guys, we do budget this month too tight because we have something to do, and we make it budget, guys, because we have something big one coming up. Then we're not always going out, so I'm just prepared to take a video, so I have a video upload even we're not going out, because you know what, this time we need to cooperate my partner, because if we always go out, is we spend money. So for the help of the what is our plan, so I need to control to go out. So we have a food here, we can cook. So all my sisters here, kuya and ate, is free to come here and cook, no problem with that. As long we are in the house, we're not going out to spend money like what we did more other month. So for now is something change. So yeah, that's what. So this is my grocery for this month, little bit, because we already done something there. And this is when they come in the house. Yes, how many boxes. So I need to go to the other store to save a lot of expenses there. So guys, we are here in the meat section. Oh my god, it's really expensive, guys. So that's why we need to be smarter this time when we go grocery. So what I did is I go to the other store. So I buy some, what you call that, not a meat, it's some corned beef like that. I go to the other store. I don't know if I can vlog there one day, maybe next time. So yeah, I get only one cart there in Hypermart because I don't need a lot, so because I already shopping in the other store. So this is the carton. Yeah, so I got one carton in the Hypermart and three, I think, in the other store. So yeah. Wala dira. So this. Hi guys. Good evening. So I will arrange Sahira's snacks. This is her Sahira's snacky bar.
It's my snack. Show me.
So we do grocery this afternoon. So yeah. Nakay boy. Ibutang na sa nato na napilian.
I already want this and this and this and this.
Nyara ato na ng pilian.
Oh, guys, quick, what's up?
Ayaw. So, you bring this one in school. No more credit in school. Huh? Huh? What?
Hey, you got. Daddy's black.
Show it, mama.
No.
Oh, Bob's not being nice.
So she get pita.
We ran out of snacks.
Show me, please. I got treats.
She get tricks.
Hardly nothing.
Coco Crunch.
Yeah, Coco Crunch.
Yan, snack na. Hindi nakaigo. Hindi nakaigo. Napa jelly.
So na siya yung Mr. Chips. So hugaw among kuan guys kay nag kuan ni.
Hindi nakaigo.
Di na kaigo. Dili ra ni sa gawas lang.
Oh. Awa na
Kauna ni guna ni kuan kini ay. Kay kini ba?
How do you carry that when it's stacked up, which you're going to fall on the floor, crunch, and break?
So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hokokera. So enjoy your life, guys, with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you.